about area of plane sheet. Now the other time we studied the perimeter, and we said perimeter is the distance around the shape. For example, if you have a shape this way, perimeter works like this. You walk around the shape this way, then you walk, and then you stop it. You go this way, go this way. This is perimeter. But in area we want to find the amount of space that the shape covers. This space, or everything here that the shape covers. So we can say area is the amount of space the shape covers. So let's start with the first one. Area is gotten by multiplying adjacent sides. So perimeter, we're doing addition, add the sides. So but in area we multiply adjacent sides. So for example, here and here, multiply this and this. So area of the square should be length times length, which is length squared. And area of a rectangle, the area should be length times breadth. Length times breadth. Now area of a circle, we can't really multiply this, but the area is pi r squared. Remember the perimeter is 2 pi r, so we can move the 2 up that place where the r is. So now I should give you some examples. The first one, you have the shape like this. Remember, this is a square, and the length is 4 centimeters. So area is equal to length times length, and the length is 4 centimeters. That is 4 times 4 centimeter times centimeters. So 4 times 4 will give us 16. Centimeter times centimeter will give us centimeters squared. In part, we have the length area is equal to length times breadth. So the length is 7 centimeters multiplied by 3 centimeters. 7 times 3 will give us 21. Centimeter times centimeter will give us centimeters squared. And we have another one. The area of a circle, area is equal to pi r squared. Remember we said that pi is 22 over 7. So that gives 22 over 7 times 35 squared. 35 squared can be written twice. 22 over 7 times 35 times another 35. If we still put our centimeter squared, centimeter times centimeter. So 7 here 1, 7 here 5. So we have 22 times 5 times 35. So 22 times 5 is okay. Let me multiply this and multiply by 2. So 10. And we have the 10 times this 350. So 350 times 11. So I have 0. This is 5. This and this 8. This one 3. So that's 3,000. We can do that 50 centimeter square. Then we have this question asking to calculate the unknown. Area is 64. We don't know the length. The length is unknown, but we know that area is equal to length times length. 64 meters squared. So now for the area we put 64 substitution. So 64 should be here is equal to L times L. So 64 is equal to L squared, meaning a number that will multiply itself and then we'll get 64. Or from here L squared, you can take square root. Square root of 64. And now this will cancel this. And then 8 is equal to L equals 8. So meaning a number that multiplies itself from open sentence, L times L, 8 times 8, even from here, 64 equals 8 times 8. Yeah. So the last one, have 32, and then area is 32 centimeters squared. The length is unknown, and the breadth is given. We know that area is equal to length times breadth. This is a rectangle. So area is length, and the area is 32, so we come out with 32 centimeters is equal to centimeters equals, the length is unknown. I'll leave the length times here 4 centimeters. So that gives 32 centimeters squared is equal to 4 centimeters. So if I divide by, so obviously 32 centimeter times centimeter equals 4 centimeters. Centimeter can take care of 1 centimeter here. Now I have 32 centimeter divided by 4 for giving me L. So this 4 comes under, it comes by division. So this take this 4 centimeters also L is equal to 8 centimeters. So see in the next video. In part 2 we shall discuss area of parallelogram, triangle, and then trapezium. Bye.